The Delta variant fueling a surge in COVID-19 cases across the country, mostly among the unvaccinated. Now we're hearing from two healthcare professionals on the front lines who say patients are regretting their decision not to get vaccinated and begging for the shot before being intubated. Mary Maloney has their emotional plea.
An emotional call to action from two healthcare workers who say their unvaccinated patients are regretting not getting the COVID-19 shot.
They come into the system and they early on, they say, can I get vaccinated? And at that point, you can't. If you already have symptoms, you're unable to get them.
Alex Zarkowski, an intensive care clinical nurse manager at Miami's Jackson Health System, says she's dealing with a very young population of COVID patients.
They're dying in the early mid-20s, 30s, 40s, and 50s.
COVID-19 infections and hospitalizations are both rising across the entire U.S. Data from the CDC shows the U.S. is averaging more than 40,000 new COVID-19 cases each day. In another moving testimony, Dr. Brittany Cobia wrote this Facebook post about young people arriving at her Alabama hospital, seriously ill with COVID-19. One of the last things they do before they're intubated is beg me for the vaccine. I hold their hand and tell them that I'm sorry, but it's too late. Dr. Cobia also writing that when patients don't make it, she tells family members to honor their loved one by getting vaccinated and encouraging others to do it too. It's the same message coming from others on the front lines. Get the shot.
We really want to make sure that everybody understands that we really need your help to help you.
For today's Health Minute, I'm Mary Maloney.